going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media, back with another video. So today we're gonna take my brother for a ride along in the new Scion TC. So he actually just saw this car for the first time, so let me do a quick little walk around of the car. So it is a 2007 Scion TC. As you can tell, slightly modified on the outside. The headlights has been painted white inside. We have some white 17-inch sparkle wheels. I believe car is still on stock height. And then let's see, we have some smoked out LED tail lights for the rears. And then we have a HKS catback exhaust. It's pretty loud. And then we also have window tint all around. One cool feature of this car is it does have the moonroof, so sunroof, moonroof. Came in one key when I got it. And then let me show you guys the inside. Inside, nothing fancy. We have the Pioneer double din touchscreen, the sunroof, everything works. And then we also have this cool little party trick. You press illumination and we have some blue underglow over here. Well, right now it's not lighting up because I haven't put the key in the ignition. And then on the back we also have a subwoofer to bump music if you want to. So huge kicker subwoofer. And we also have this amp in the back as well from Pioneer. So good quality parts. One last thing I'm going to show you guys before we go for a quick drive, which is the engine bay. So also modified. I wasn't in the market to get a modified car. I usually like to start my cars on a clean slate, but this one was a pretty good deal. So here's the engine, really clean, as you can tell, some modifications. K&N short ram intake. We have an AEM engine oil cover, DC sports headers, some Mishimoto parts. So Mishimoto coolant hoses, Mishimoto radiator, Mishimoto radiator cap. Seems like we have a new battery here as well from Everstart, and an AEM battery tie down. So yeah, pretty clean. Here's the front end. They took away the Scion logo, put like a mesh grill on it. So it does have some slight imperfections, but all in all, for the price, I think it's a pretty good car. So drives great as well. So let my brother hop in and we'll start the car. It's not quite a review video, but purpose of the video today is we're gonna go to Home Depot because my brother's daily, his 2018 Honda Accord, his key fob battery is out, so just gonna run to Home Depot. And it's his first time riding along in the Scion TC, so just made a pit stop over here to AutoZone. It's right beside Advance Auto. Hopefully they have the battery we're looking for. So can you show me the key fob real quick? So like I said, it's for a 2018 Honda Accord. So that's the key fob. It's a keyless entry, so little key fob. It's a circle battery that it comes with. So yeah, hopefully you should be able to find it. And I think what's the, is it CR1616? I think that's the battery code. We'll double check with them.
We'll have to check. Yeah.
So easy peasy, just got to replace. Sorry, we read out the wrong part number. So 2032 is the battery size for the 2018 Honda Accord sedan. So super easy. All you have to do is just got to use a little pry tool or a flat tip screwdriver just to pry it open. You pry it open from here, comes right out. One key fob only needs one of it, so my brother paid a little bit more, but you get two of it. So yeah, pretty easy. So we're just gonna go back in the Scion TC and just head home. So once we're back home, I'm just gonna get my brother's honest opinion on what he thinks about the car. We're gonna start her up here. Bump into Ricky's 370Z over here. Super clean, bunch of carbon fiber bits. Rice remote. Alright, so we just got back home. Like I said, just want to get my brother's reaction. What do you think of the Scion TC? So what is your, just walking around looking at the car, what do you think about it?
So first impression, definitely it's I mean, considering if it's a cash car, I'm not sure exactly how much they paid for it, but if it's a cash car, I'm assuming it's under 5,000. then definitely it's the values in there with all the aftermarket parts, especially if you're a car enthusiast, if you appreciate all these name brands that they upgraded. I think it's definitely good if it's clean title and all this. Yeah.
Right. What about after riding in it?
After riding in it, I think it's really good. Yeah, it's pretty smooth. The exhaust is a little loud.
It's a little loud, yeah.
But yeah, I mean, all of the small details that they put into this car is I think they did it pretty good.
Yeah, so just gonna end this video over here. Like I said, short little video showing you guys the car and letting my brother see it and ride along. He hasn't seen it last time when we got it. But if you guys like the video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and we'll catch you in the next one.